Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, and today I have me one of my clients, Mr. Marshall, and this is his pet Meav, and she's actually 16 years old. She had a very large cancerous tumor come up on her elbow that we were basically treating conservatively with topical medications and oral medications. Well, it got so bad that it started having a really bad smell. Can you tell them about what you were experiencing at home with this?
Well, we were trying to treat it at home, and instead of getting better, it kept getting worse and worse, and we noticed the smell.
And you were concerned about putting her under anesthesia because she's 16 years old. So that's when we had that talk, and we said, well, it's either, let's go ahead and do the surgery and see if we can get this under control, or she's going to end up losing her leg and getting a real bad infection. So he let us do the surgery. We placed an IV. We actually have some really good pictures I'm going to send so you can see what the tumor looked like before and what it looked like after, and we'll get a close-up in a minute, but the tumor was very large, covering the entire elbow. So what I ended up doing is going in and taking the skin from up here and bringing it around to cover the incision once we removed the large tumor. And the tumor was so necrotic, it was also almost involving her joint. And it healed so nicely. As you can see, you can hardly see a scar. She actually wore this really cool little bodysuit afterward. And what would you say about her quality of life now?
Oh, it's dramatically changed. I mean, you could tell she was in a lot of pain, and now she's back to normal. She's back to herself.
Yeah, she's eating, she's drinking. And a lot of people have a lot of reservations about after their dogs turn to the age of 12 or 13 that, they're just old. Let's just let, nature take its course. But that's not the case, guys. Your animals, and we want Meav to be with us for as long as we can. And this is something that if somebody tells you your pet's just too old, they don't need the care, please don't take that as your final option. Give us a call, make that appointment. Senior pets are just as important as younger pets, and I promise your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.